How to see or find search history on Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily find the search history on Instagram. So first thing, simply head over to Instagram application, and once you're inside here, just click on this bottom right corner, which will take you to a profile section. And from over here you can simply click on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Once you click on it, wait for some time and simply click on this account center at the top. And from over here, what you need to do is you can see the option called your information and permission under the account settings section. So simply click on it. So once you click on it, you can see there is an option called search history. So simply click on it, and once you click on it, you just have to select the account of which you want to see the search history. So let me just select one of the account. So as you can see, there are the search history which I used to search from this account. So that is it for today guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.